Hello everybody, my name is Reagan Brown and I'm here to show you our Intel AI Game Development Toolkit and software collaboration with Procedural Worlds, a world generation system called Gaia that integrates seamlessly with our AI development toolkit. And so what we're doing is we're lowering the barrier of entry for game developers to not only get their chance to create beautiful and complex game worlds, but also gives them their first steps into AI programming in a Unity ecosystem. So with the Gaia ML edition, you are able to test AI tasks such as object detection, which we have here. You can see that I've put two models, an Ethan model and a car, which is person, and it's actually trying to detect, and it actually has pretty good assumption of what the models are. We also have our style transfer here. And I'm gonna go ahead and stop that for you. So what we have is style transfer based on our OpenVINO. And so the OpenVINO distribution of the toolkit actually streamlines the developer journey by accurately targeting CPU and GPU accelerators on the system, whether that be separately or concurrently. And so with style transfer, if you want to refresh the look of your environment without having to do full redevelopment, you're able to take what we have on the toolkit as a blueprint and create your own AI inferencing models and putting a whole new program on top of your scene. And so look at these like beautiful graphics here. It's great that we further exploit the DP4A instruction set on our integrated graphics, and this program stands poised to capitalize on our Intel Art Graphics family products, XMX AI acceleration. So this is just one of the many ways where we are using AI in our software, but also empowering it on our hardware. Thank you.